A handwritten message on the mirror reminds 43-year-old Lisa Owens of what could be.
I thought in my mind I was going to have chemo, be over at about a year, and then just move forward with my life and all was going to be well.
3 years after a diagnosis of ovarian cancer, she's still fighting.
I haven't really had much of a remission period. It's been a constant battle.
Now researchers at Georgia Tech are studying a new weapon in the war against cancer, using these magnetic nanoparticles engineered to attach the cancer cells circulating in the body.
If we can target those magnetic nanoparticles to ovarian cancer cells, they'll attach to the free-floating cancer cells, and then in a magnetic field, we can sweep all of the cancer cells out.
Like dialysis, fluid is circulated through and out of the patient's abdomen and into an external chamber where tiny magnetic nanoparticles grab the cancer cells. The clean fluid is returned to the body.
To explain how many nanoparticles you might use for a treatment, in about a gram of material, we're talking billions, literally billions and billions of nanoparticles.
It's an experimental technique that could one day improve survival.
This is a very exciting type of procedure that's being evaluated because it has the potential of helping ovarian cancer patients, because much of the cancer for ovarian cancer, when it recurs back in the abdomen.
For this hopeful artist, help can't come soon enough.
I am not going to quit.
She'll keep fighting as long as it takes.